Hey there, curious explorer. Picture this. You're sitting quietly, maybe reading a book, when a tiny tickle sneaks into your nose. It grows and grows. Your breath gets bigger. Your eyes squeeze shut. And then, Satcho, a giant whooshing sneeze bursts out of you before you can even stop it. Well, sneezing is one of the funniest, wildest, most surprising things your body does. And here's the cool part. You didn't even decide to do it. Your nose did it all by itself. But why? Where does that big tickle come from? What is your body actually trying to do when it goes achoo? Today, we're going on an adventure deep inside your amazing nose to find out. Ready? Let's go. So here's the big secret. A sneeze is your body's way of cleaning house. Think of your nose like the front door to your body. All day long, air rushes in through that door so you can breathe. But the air isn't always clean. It's full of teeny tiny bits of stuff floating around, way too small to see. Things like dust, pepper, pollen from flowers, pet fur, and even little germs. Your body does not want those bits sneaking deep inside where they could make you feel yucky. So your clever nose has a super plan. When something bothersome gets inside, your body says, "Oh no, you don't belong here," and it gets ready to blast that intruder right back out. That mighty blast is the sneeze. Let's shrink down super small and peek inside your nose. Whoa, it's not empty in there. The inside of your nose is lined with millions of teeny tiny hairs and a soft, sticky layer, kind of like a gooey trap. When you breathe in dust or pepper, those little bits get stuck in the goo and brush against the tiny hairs. And guess what? Your nose is soup ticklish. Those tiny hairs feel the bother and send a lightning-fast message zooming up to your brain. Something's tickling us down here. Help. Your brain reads the message in a flash and shouts back one command. Time to sneeze. All of that happens faster than you can snap your fingers. Your body is like an alarm system, and a piece of dust just set it off. Now here comes the exciting part, the achoo reflex. A reflex is something your body does automatically, without you thinking about it at all, like blinking or pulling your hand away from something hot. Once your brain yells, sneeze, a whole team of body parts springs into action in a split second. First, you take a big, deep breath in. Your chest puffs up and fills with air like a balloon. Your throat closes off to hold all that air inside, building up the pressure, squeezing it tighter and tighter. Your body is loading up like a spring being pushed down. Everything is ready. The pressure is building. And then, in a flash, it's time to let it all go. Techo! In one incredible moment, your throat flies open and all that trapped air explodes out through your nose and mouth. And it comes out fast. How fast? A sneeze can shoot air out of your body at up to 100 miles per hour. That's as fast as a race car zooming down a track. All that speeding air carries the dust, pepper, and germs along with it, blasting the yucky stuff right out of your nose. Whoosh! Your body just did in 1 second what a whole cleaning crew couldn't do. And a sneeze doesn't just come out fast, it can travel far too, spraying tiny droplets many feet across a room. That's why your nose is such a powerful little cleaner. One tiny tickle, one giant blast. Here's a fun question. Have you ever noticed that you can't sneeze with your eyes open? Go ahead and try it next time, but I bet you can't do it. Every single time you sneeze, your eyes snap shut all on their own. Why? Well, it's another one of those automatic reflexes. When your brain fires off the big sneeze signal, that same signal tells your eyes to close at the very same moment. Some scientists think it might be your body's way of protecting your eyes from all those germs and bits flying out. Isn't that neat? Your body is looking out for you without you even asking. So don't worry, your eyes won't ever pop out when you sneeze. That's just a silly old myth. Your eyelids are simply along for the wild sneezy ride. And here's another cool thing that happens after somebody sneezes. Someone nearby almost always says, "Bless you." Have you heard that? But where did that come from? People have been saying "bless you" after sneezes for hundreds and hundreds of years. Long, long ago, before people understood germs, some believed a sneeze was something a little magical or important. So they said a kind word to wish the sneezer good health. Today we know a sneeze is just your nose cleaning itself, but the friendly habit stuck around anyway. So it became a nice little way of saying, I hope you feel well. In different countries around the world, people say all sorts of kind words after a sneeze. It's a small, warm way that people everywhere look out for each other. Now let's talk about the things that make us sneeze in the first place, because some of them are pretty surprising. You already know about dust and germs, but the classic sneeze maker is pepper. Ever seen someone shake pepper and then achoo? That's because pepper has a spicy little bit called piperine that tickles your nose like crazy. Then there's pollen, the fine yellow powder that flowers and plants send floating through the air in spring. Lots of people sneeze bunches when pollen is around. And don't forget a stuffy old attic full of dust, or a fluffy pet with lots of fur. All of these are packed with tiny bits your nose wants out. Your nose is like a bouncer at a party, and it will happily sneeze away anyone who wasn't invited inside. Ready for the strangest sneeze fact of all. Some people sneeze when they look at the sun. It's true. Imagine walking out of a dark room into bright sunshine and achoo, achoo, achoo. Scientists have a funny name for this, the photic sneeze reflex. Photic is just a fancy word that means light. For about 1 out of every 3 or 4 people, a sudden burst of bright light makes them sneeze. Nobody knows exactly why. Scientists think the wires in your body that carry the bright light message and the sneeze message might run really close together, so the bright signal accidentally bumps the sneeze one. How wild is that? A sneeze made by sunshine. Try it next time you step outside. Are you a sun sneezer? Sneezing is your body's superhero move, but sometimes we need to be superheroes too and sneeze politely. Because sneezes shoot up so fast and travel so far, they can spread germs to the people around you. Yuck! So here's the hero trick. When you feel a sneeze coming, catch it in your elbow, right in the bend of your arm, or in a tissue if you have one. That traps all those flying germs so they don't zoom onto your friends. Then you wash your hands to keep them squeaky clean. Sneezing into your elbow is a small, kind thing that keeps everybody healthier. So the next time that tickle sneaks up on you, remember, be a sneeze superhero. Aim into your elbow and blast those germs safely away. Wow, what an adventure! Let's remember what we learned. A sneeze is your amazing body cleaning out your nose, blasting away dust, pepper, pollen, and germs at up to 100 miles per hour. It all starts with a tiny tickle, zips a message to your brain, and fires off the automatic achoo reflex, eyes and all. Isn't it incredible? Your body takes care of you every single day, doing wild and wonderful things you never even have to think about. So the next time you feel that little tickle growing in your nose, don't be surprised. Just smile, aim for your elbow, and let your body do its awesome job. Thanks for exploring with me today, curious friend. Keep asking questions, keep wondering, and keep discovering. The world is full of amazing science. Bless you, and see you next time.